Kumasi Asante Kotoko are about to leave their hotel for their final training session before the game against Legon Cities at the University of Ghana Sports Stadium. If Asante Kotoko wins this game, they go 18 points at the same time on top of the log alongside BBNE Gold Stars. They remain one of the unbeaten teams in this season's Premier League, and they are very poised on picking up maximum points for this game. Thankfully for Coach Odum, he virtually has a full house ahead of the game against Legon Cities, and Kotoko say they want to pick up the pieces from last season where they beat Legon Cities by 3-1. They're optimistic they've got what it takes. And most importantly, Albert Amwa is in a good scoring form. He scored in the last two games for Asante Kotoko, and they remain very positive about that game against Legon Cities at the Legon Sports Stadium tomorrow. My name is Darkwa-Gyasi, reporting from the Maple Leaf Hotel for Max TV.